Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
I heard they have good drinks. I'll have a cup of coffee.
I want to have some cookies.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Look, it's turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Roll out the dough together. Choose your favorite shape. Make some delicious food for your customers and earn more coins. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Use the space bar to see what happens. You've made sweet and crispy cookies. Here's your order. Coffee. Coffee. Cookies. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
I want to order some food, please.
What's good here? I'll have a slice of pizza.
I'll have a cup of flower tea.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings do you want to put on your pizza? Tomato, tomato, tomato. Mushroom, mushroom, mushrooms. Bacon, bacon. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What flower would you like to pick? Rose. Pour some hot water to open the leaves. Here's some healthy and tasty rose tea. Here's your order. Flower tea. Pizza. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. The tables are full. Go get some gold coins first. Here's a coin.
It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
Clean the table.
It's really delicious.
It's the best. Here's a coin.
Clean the table. Clean the table. Clean the table. I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have?
I'll have some fruit juice.
I'll have a sandwich.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What fruit juice do you want to make? Hammy melon. Kiwi. Pear. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. This is what the customer ordered. Bake the bread first. Wow, mayonnaise is my favorite. These are full of fresh ingredients. Bacon, bacon, lettuce, lettuce, tomato, lettuce, lettuce, tomato. What a delicious sandwich! Here's your order. Sandwich, fruit juice. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi.
Clean the table.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What's good here?
I want to have a donut.
I'll have a cake. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah! Now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like best? Chocolate flavor. Our delicious cake is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. are a lot of creams. Choose one you like. Strawberry flavor. Green tea flavor. Wow! Earning gold coins can get new watermelon flavor. Strawberry flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. Here's your order. Donut. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. All the food is
You know how to make good food. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please. I want to have some ice cream.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. Here's your food. Ice cream. Ice cream. Welcome to our cafe.